Today I came with a simple idea. It is a simple invoice that you can download and work on. This invoice accounts in automatic. Now you have a way to prepare it. Stay with us. This video is special for people who can't make an invoice through Excel. Choose company address, customer address, date of invoice, invoice number. For the invoice format or appearance, you click on this icon. Here we make a sample invoice. The calculations are done automatically. Here I've put examples. You can use it, so change them. The calculations here will be done automatically. As for the second and third issue, and so on, total down, we get the sum without calculation. We get it and multiply that number by 20 by 100. This is how we get the latter on the total. Thank you. Link to the invoice to be downloaded below. And don't forget to subscribe and press the subscribe button.